You sit down to study, and suddenly, your brain becomes a rebel. I'll start in 5 minutes. 15 TikToks later. You're researching the history of penguins instead of physics. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. 90% of people don't actually know how to learn. They just repeat. But what if you could study for half the time and remember twice as much? Today, I'll show you 5 brain hacks that'll make learning feel illegal. Keep watching. These work for anything: exams, business, languages, even life skills. Your brain hates long tasks. If you say, "I'll study for 3 hours," your brain says, "Nah, let's nap." So, trick it. Say, "I'll just do 20 minutes." Once you start, your brain stops resisting, because action kills procrastination faster than motivation ever will. And if this already made you rethink your habits, maybe, just maybe, you're the kind of person who'll actually grow with this channel. Forget big goals. Your brain doesn't understand someday. It only understands today. So improve just 1% each day. 1% better focus. 1% better notes. 1% fewer distractions. It doesn't sound like much, but in 100 days, you're 37 times better. That's math, not motivation. When you were 5, you learned faster than any time in your life. Why? Because you were curious, not afraid of mistakes. Adults stop learning because they start fearing looking stupid. So, explain things out loud like you're teaching a kid. If you can't simplify it, you don't really understand it. That's called the Feynman Effect. And it's how geniuses study. Your brain links places to actions. Study in your bed? Your brain says, "Oh, nap time." Work in your kitchen? Your brain says, "Snack time." So, pick one specific place only for studying. Sit down there, and your brain will automatically switch into focus mode. Same place, same time, same ritual equals instant discipline. Every scroll, every notification, every one more video destroys your focus. So once a week, go on a dopamine detox. No phone, no YouTube, just silence, reflection, and maybe a notebook. You'll realize how powerful your mind actually is when it's not being hijacked. And if you can handle silence and still want more, that's how I know you belong here. Because this channel? It's for people who choose growth over comfort. Learning isn't about how many hours you study. It's about how deeply you process. So here's your challenge. Pick one hack. Try it today. Then come back tomorrow, because you'll want the next level. Remember, knowledge isn't power. Applied knowledge is. So go use your brain and make it your superpower. Until next time, stay curious and unstoppable.